Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition from the given options. 1. She is good. Math.
The correct answer is, she is good at math.
2. He is afraid. Spiders.
The correct answer is, he is afraid of spiders.
3. They are interested. History.
The correct answer is, they are interested in history.
4. I am sorry. Being late.
The correct answer is, I am sorry for being late.
5. You are responsible. Your own actions.
The correct answer is, you are responsible for your own actions.
6. We are excited. The trip.
The correct answer is, we are excited about the trip.
7. She is married. A famous actor.
The correct answer is, she is married to a famous actor.
8. He is addicted. Video games.
The correct answer is, he is addicted to video games.
9. They are proud. Their achievements.
The correct answer is, they are proud of their achievements.
10. I am bored. This movie.
The correct answer is, I am bored with this movie.